Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change face in Snapseed. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Snapseed app on your phone. Now, click on the plus icon to add the photo that you want to edit. Since we want to change the face, click on Tools at the bottom menu and scroll a bit and you'll see a double exposure option. Click on it. Now, click here to add the photo. Now, at first, align the photo. Once you align the photo properly, click here to save changes. But as you can see, there are outlines of the face. So, to make it better, click here and now click on View Edits and click on Double Exposure and click on this option here. Now, increase the exposure and brush over this face. Just like this. And once you're happy, click here to save changes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.